Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I have some apples, and the other day I ate some apples, mostly because I want to try these apples, and I was thinking, I made a video out of it, and I was thinking people must be quite disgusted with the sound. But I got some friends telling me they are okay. They are not so against the sound. So let's take a look. This one is called very dark color, and it is called Akansas. Arkansas apple. Let me check. Arkansas apple. Arkansas apple. Arkansas black. This is called Arkansas black. And this one is wild twist. And this one is winesap. These two does not have sticker. These three does not have sticker. They are from farmers market. So we will first do this. Okay. I will do which one better? Seems this one. This one is darker. This one is a little bit softer. And I even got one friend said that, oh my goodness, when you cut it, you feel this is the right thing. And oh, it feels right. Hear the sound of it. So it is Akansas black. And I can feel it is quite sandy. What do we call it? The sandy in English, it must be a little bit sable. And it's one of the winter apple, Arkansas black, and with very strong black color. The color is very dark, and it can stay on the counter for a long time. 2-3 weeks later, you eat it, and it becomes sweeter and sweeter, a little bit sour. This is what I heard. Let me try it. So it's a sandy. I don't know the English word. Let me try. It's quite little small particles like sand. So it has a very good feel. I like it. So comparing with cookies, there are chewy cookie, there are short bread, shortcake cookie. I like shortcake. those kind. This reminds me of that kind of texture. And sweet, not too sweet, a little bit sour, and quite refreshing. And the sourness, acidic, is not from citrus acidic. It's a berry, fruit, this kind of cherry, berry, apple, pear, plum, this kind of sourness, and quite pleasant. Very, very enjoyable. This one is winesap. Very easy to peel. So this is Texas winesap. So this one is very, very sandy. And the Texas winesap, they call it winesap because after putting it on counter 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and the sweetness start to develop. When you first pick up any fruit, it's sour, right? And then slowly it develop. It develop into a flavor that is like wine. I do not drink wine, so I do not know. But comparing Texas winesap, let me write it down. Texas winesap. Winesap. S-A-P. Winesap. If a pH, I forgot pH number, big or small, the acidic. So sweet from 0 to 10, sweetness something like 6, 7, and acidic is much less, 4, 5, and the other one, this one is Akansas. Akansas black. Sweetness should be 5 to 6. Acidic should be 6 to 7. something like it. The Akansas is more acidic. Okay, now I will try this one. This one is Wild Twist. It looks good. Wild Twist. Oh, even from the sound you can hear it's a little bit more crunchy, less sablé, less sandy wine. This one is called wine twist, wild twist. Let's try it. Wild twist. Did I have two wild twists? Wild twist. Very sandy, sablé, sandy, crispy. Sweetness 4 to 5, acidic 6, 7, 7, 8, envy. Oh, it sounds right. It sounds like, it sounds between a very sweet, between an acidic, crispy, and the one in the middle. Envy. Crispy. It's kind of hard to distinguish if I put into this number, but Texas winesap, Akansas black, they are very dark color and darker color, darker skin, and they are from farmers market. They are absolutely very, very good. I'm not saying anyone is any bad, but maybe from the farmers it's different. You get a better chance of a better quality apple. And apple is very sweet, very sweet, very sandy, and this is one of the thing that it's a staple food. What do we call it? This is always a winner. Yellow skin, always a winner. Thank you very, very, very much. Now it's my time to finish this. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Go, go. Bye, bye.